What if you could automatically respond to inquiries sent to you via SMS in an intelligent way, without relying on canned responses? There's now a way, an AI SMS chatbot. An AI chatbot gives intelligent AI-generated responses to messages that people submit to you. And this chatbot can actually give informed responses because you can train it with whatever documentation you want to provide to it. You can purchase an SMS chatbot as an add-on under the new Add-ons-Add a Chatbot tab when logged into your mobile text alerts account. From here you can add a chatbot for any phone numbers you have access to within your mobile text alerts account. Note that each chatbot is $5 per month and that responses sent by your chatbot use 3 of your account's messaging credits each. Click the Add Chatbot button to set up a new chatbot. You'll then be prompted to fill out the information for your new chatbot. Name. Give the chatbot a name for your reference. Description. You can give the chatbot a description for your reference. This is optional. Instructions. Give instructions you want the chatbot to follow in regard to the responses you'd like it to give to people who text in. Phone number. Designate which phone number in your mobile text alerts account that you'd like to be assigned to your chatbot. As long as the chatbot is enabled, any messages sent to this phone number will trigger a response by the chatbot. Training resources. Provide training information to give your chatbot the knowledge it needs to respond in an informed way to messages it receives. For example, if you want it to be able to answer questions about pricing, you can give it a pricing sheet as a training resource. You can either enter a URL to give your chatbot access to online resources, or you can upload files from your device. You can include up to 5 training resources. Once you've filled out all the information, click Purchase Chatbot to add the chatbot to your account. Your chatbot will be added to your list of chatbots, where you'll be able to see the chatbot's name and description, the phone number associated with the chatbot, and the date that it was created. From here you'll also toggle whether or not you'd like the chatbot to be enabled. If it's enabled, any messages sent to the designated phone number will trigger a response by the chatbot. With your chatbot enabled, whenever someone sends a message to your account's phone number, the chatbot will respond to them, informed by the training resources you provided for it. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.